This video was sponsored by Enhance, Elbilmek, a bit planner, Kempower and Bilkomponenter. Good morning, we are now at the airport at Zagreb and we're gonna leave now. So yeah, we prepare all the luggage. We pack light, actually, because EV Clinic or Vanya, he provided the car, but also 2 car seats and an extra stroller. So yeah, there you have it. He calls it the Ninja Tesla or the diesel killer. It's a P100. It's upgraded. Yeah, it's a rear-wheel drive performance, about 100 kilowatt hour. So see you again next time, huh? Zagreb and the Tesla. Next time it might have some upgrades already. Okay, anyway, now comes the whole hassle with traveling back home with 2 kids and a bunch of luggage. Axel is in the stroller. Isabel loves this. She wants to kick this herself. That's good because there's also some luggage there. She can help transport for us. So we're gonna fly now via München this time on the way back, not Frankfurt. And it's 13 Munich there. 11, gate 11. Where's checkout area? Oh, okay, somewhere here. Lockdown, yeah, lockdown. Last flight to Oslo. They were sleeping peacefully, then they woke up. Now they're... Isabel, smile! Oh man. In a way, I'm also glad that the trip is almost over. Right? Flight from München to Oslo, yeah. So we use this stock jet kits so they can just have a little play, play a little together. Yeah. We're back in Oslo. Well, actually, technically, Gardermoen, close to Jessheim. Look at the weather. Oh yeah, nice. What, can you see it? Nice and rainy. Well, wouldn't mind staying in Croatia for a little bit longer, but okay, have to go home. And it was like, I don't know, man. Like, this trip was only 10 days, but with the kids, man, feels like we've been gone for a month. Yeah, I'm tired, boss. Oh, I'm tired. And it's Saturday today, which means that tomorrow is Sunday. And then on Monday, the gang over here, they can go to kindergarten. Oh, I kind of need some rest after them. But okay, anyway, it was still nice family time, of course. And now, yeah, also noticed something. Once we landed, I checked the Neo app. And when we came here 10 days ago, I had 95%. After 10 days, we had 90%, so we lost 5%. I was surprised. I was expecting 95% when we came back, or at least 94%, which means that in 1 month, do you actually lose 20%? No, okay, 15%. That's actually like an old Tesla, more or less. Even new Model 3 would, or Model Y would only lose around 1-2% per month, or 1 week to 10 days. Maybe just 1%. So maybe I ask Neo why it's consuming so much. Was it mining bitcoins? No, but I've actually seen that when the weather is cold, it will keep the LiDAR or the camera or something heated, but it should go in some kind of safe mode or no, save mode. Yeah. But okay. Anyway, here, the kids. Man, the stroller there, I love it because you can fold it and it goes in the cabin. And then also this that Isabel uses, you see. Stokke jet kits, superb because we have stuff in there, so we don't have to carry it. She will do it for us. Yeah, you can see here all the stuff we carry, snacks and toys, and also the pillow when we use it in the aircraft. And then also, yeah, now she can pull it. Isabel wants mommy to pull it, not me. I pull it too hard, too fast. Man, it's nice to be back. Oh yeah, look at that, ET5. Oh, finally back to driving something premium again. Okay, I'm just kidding. Man, it's freaking tight here. Okay, yeah, let's back it out. Isabel, he's here. The Neo is here, Isabel. The auto is here. All right, before we go home, we're gonna visit the sushi store. Can you see it? Okay, there. I'm gonna get some sushi. Also, the preheating to 2%. Okay, whatever. We live close to home, so no problem. And parking here costs 1,800 NOK, which is around 150 euros for 10 days. So it's not that bad. This is P10 in just 2-3 minute walking distance to the terminal. But you have to be in the upper levels, the level 6 or 5. But it's indoor over here, so yeah. It's still kind of expensive, but alternatively you have to walk kind of far, and with all the stuff with the baby and all that, and it's like, okay, pay a little bit extra. It's company expense. Oh, Seeker 7X, oh yeah, nice. Yeah, it's company expense anyway, because it's a company trip, plus a bit of pleasure. Oh yeah, look at this. Lovely weather over here, 6 degrees Celsius. Norway greets us. Shit. And then before we are home, we need to pick up some groceries at the Rema 1000, Byporten. We need fruit, we need bread, milk, yeah. You're a princess. Oh, but Isabel, what did you do here, huh? But don't say that, huh? Axel did it. Wow. Our dinner for the night. Oh yeah, temperamaki. Axel loves it. And then we have chicken teriyaki. Oh, the light went off. What? There. Oh yeah. Okay. Oh, all good. Let's go. All right, finally back home. 10 days. Yeah, feels like 1 month, like I mentioned. All right. Some of the luggage needs to be unpacked. Yeah, I can show you guys here. I needed to do a quick fix. Yeah, because the zip here is actually open, so I put a large item there so that it wouldn't fall off, and in case, yeah, so we just do this. Always bring duct tape, right? Okay, all good there. Need to fix the zip eventually. It's quite beaten down. Has done lots of work. So yeah, the kids actually prefer staying home because there's just so much playground here, so many toys here all over the house, man. Yeah, I can understand that if they're used to this and they go to a tight place, and it's not super interesting for them to go to bed or stuff like that. So yeah, at least over here they can have plenty of playtime. So yeah, Axel needs to hold a car every time and then there's some sushi here. Okay, well, so that's it. First trip to Croatia, and then second time to Slovenia. Yeah, so I should say a big shout out to EV Clinic for lending me the car, the Tesla. They're also the organizer of Green Energy. I'm not sure if he wants to be exposed or not. They also provided some stuff, supported me on the trip there. And we have Metron Institute, Andre and Jasna. And then what was one more? Yeah, and then Engen. So great companies around there. I wonder, are those the Slavic countries? Lately I've been getting some memes in my Facebook about Slavic people, women and men, the stereotypes. You know, they wear the pants with the stripes like the men. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe it's not those countries. Maybe the Slavic countries are some other countries. But I kind of saw some different people over there that I normally don't see. Maybe in Scandinavia. But yeah, I mean, overall, how did I like Croatia? Croatia is kind of crazy. It's a bit Texas. They allow people to smoke indoor, you know. but they're not too strict about everything. I feel like EU has been becoming way too strict when it comes to like speed limit warning in the car and stuff. You know, they ban those regular light bulbs because they are too inefficient. You have to use LED. Okay, that's great, but yeah. But so I feel like it's like Croatia is kind of liberal, you know, like the Bitcoin stock market, the Bitcoin exchange. They were not the shopping mall. People tend to hammer it. Okay, they claim that there are not that many accidents in Croatia. So okay, as long as everyone is crazy, then no problem, right? And then unfortunately, we didn't visit Plitvice. It was just I Googled about this, watched some videos, YouTube videos. Turns out that it's not that stroller friendly. So then I was like, oh shit, I need to carry those kids. You know, you can bet that after 5 minutes being, I don't want to walk anymore. You know, like, oh, okay. Plus that I had an idea to go further south and then stay one night over there close to Plitvice, and then we go there earlier in the morning, right? So if you go from near the airport over there, we'll be there maybe noon or 1 in the afternoon. You know, so that's not enough time to enjoy the nice place. So maybe next time then. And Slovenia, beautiful country. I still haven't explored all of it. The reason why we went to Bled was because that was close to Metro and Engine. So, you know, we only had 10 days there, right? And then first day was mostly just traveling, came really late to the hotel. So the last day now is traveling again. So that leaves us to only 8 days. And then you subtract the days at the Green Energy Fair and the different factory tour and so on. And then we actually only have maybe 2-3 days of free time. So mostly work, but some family time. And it's just refreshing to visit some other countries for once. So yeah, overall, I love the two countries, Slovenia and Croatia. Lovely countries, both of them. They're kind of crazy in both the ways, yeah. So that's gonna be for now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching and talk to you later.